Hey YouTube, I'm going to fix this little problem I have with the rapid flashing turn signals after I installed LED lights. See how these blink super quick. So you need a load resistor or equalizer rather. So what we're gonna do, remove the seat, and this is a 2005 Softail. And I bought this, picked this kit up, this little setup on Amazon. Got it delivered today. So you bring the camera over here. I got my assistant here. My son's holding the camera. So this little harness here. Okay, we're gonna unplug this harness. This is the wiring harness that runs to the rear tail lights. And this is just a simple plug and play setup. Looks pretty foolproof. Fits in there. This side. Just to go in there, just like so. Hear the click, it means it's good. Now, might need a little bit of adjustment here with where to lay these things, but you don't want to, these can get really hot. So you don't want them on any kind of wires or anything. So I'm gonna find a place for them. But right now, let's just see how this works. Let's check these lights out. Make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. Boom. Look at that.
Yeah.
Problem solved. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna get these set up where it'll lay down good and won't cause any problems. But anyway, like, subscribe, follow me, 2 Down Nation. Keep 2 down.